everyone. So I made this, not many people watched this video, but I made this and I left it for people to try and figure it out. Anyway, long and short of it is that the reason I made it, I'm going to reveal this now. It's very simple. I'm going to reveal this now. The reason I made this because I saw this air engine that somebody designed. I'll leave a link down bottom there. You can have a look at it yourself. And they said the big advantage with that engine that they created is that it doesn't have any valve, pistons or cranks. It doesn't have any valve, piston or cranks. And it's a thought, I was thinking, why would they make that, you know, why make it so hard? In my humble opinion, I thought it was hard. You'll see yourself, basically, it's like a dome. They made it like a dome and a disc is there, but the disc is like this. And it's got no holes or nothing like that, and obviously it's got something to hold it there and hold it there, and this is very covered up here, totally covered up kind of thing, so the air blows in one way, as it were, and makes this spin. And they said that it's NASA uses this technology or something like that. So I thought, why would they make it like that? In fact, you know, isn't there an easier way, a better way of making this? Because this disc is solid, and so I came up with this idea, and it's a very simple, it's a very simple thing. I'm going to show you now. This is it there. Can you see it? It's a fan. It's a computer fan. I don't know if you can see that. I'll get a better video shot of it. Computer fan. Basically, I made holes in it so it can blow it from either direction. You won't know that is going the opposite way. The fan's going the opposite way because unless I put an extra attachment there with the engine, then you'll see the engine going, well, one way or the other way by blowing into there or there. So I'll show you a close-up video of this, and I'll show you this working again. Just my thoughts. And let you have any thoughts. I would love to hear why this design was necessary. And I don't know. There's some things I don't understand or know. Maybe they do. That's probably the reason. I humbly think that they could have used the fan just as easily because, yeah, it doesn't have any piston as such, you know. Can you see the fan there? That's what it is. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. It's just a computer fan that's attached to it, so you can hold it, and two holes at the back there to bring in the pipes out. So I've laid it down so you can see the fan there. If I just take a little bit of air, because they say they take about 10 psi, well, this one doesn't take that much. Very little air to make that one work anyway. I don't know. Maybe you can see a bit closer there. Do the top one this time. And then go back a bit so you can see the piston as well. And there you go, guys. So that's it. I was going to develop it to put an engine on this side, because obviously a round can't turn around. Well, at least I couldn't do it. So this because it spins round, this has to go back and forth, and then I can put an engine there to make it spin round. But I'm not sure if I want to do that anymore. But that's the idea basically. It's a simple fan that can do the same job, and I really truly don't know why they haven't used that technology. But hey, thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you have any ideas. I would love to know the reason why they use that particular way. Thank you very much for watching. Take it bye.